Sorry, start recording. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn this piece of cedar into a high-selling project. Here we go. Alright, for this project you'll need a piece of wood. It doesn't really have to be cedar, but you need it around 1.5 inches thick. And right there is not 1.5 inches, about right here is. So we're going to chop it down to about right here, and I'll catch you then. Alright, now you need to cut it into mini sections, and I'm probably going to do about 4 inches. And just from that one log, we got 6 pieces. Now separate your big ones from your small ones. And so these are my thick ones. These are probably about 1.5 inches thick, and then these are smaller. So we're gonna keep those separate, and then I'm gonna show you what we can do with them next. All right, get your smaller ones and grab about a 5/16 inch drill bit. I'm using a drill press, but you can use just a hand drill. Now take your round and drill as many holes as you can without it busting through. And just by drilling those couple holes, you have made a very simple and easy pin holder. Now I'm going to show you how to make more things with these pieces. Grab your bigger pieces of wood and get a 1.5 inch Forstner bit and then drill those holes straight in the middle. Let me show you a trick. Wow, that was cool. And just like that, you have made 2 different projects that are super easy and can use up any of your scrap wood. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe because we put out new videos just like this all the time. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.